Hey guys, we have reached the final and most exciting phase of the longboard build. It's actually setting this thing up so that we can ride it. I'm really happy with the way that the final layer of epoxy turned out. It's pretty smooth. I might sand it down a little bit later. I actually plan on having a friend of mine draw some of their artwork on the bottom of this. So after that I'll probably put another layer of epoxy on, but right now it's good enough to ride, so I'm going to set it up. I've got my grip tape, wheels, bearings, trucks, and hardware.